Hi there, welcome back to IBC 2025, and it's Garrick Simeon from Amber Technology. And today we're at the Haivision stand, and we have Jean-Marc here to talk us through what's been happening at Haivision at the show. But firstly, how are you today?
I'm very good, Garrett, and thank you for taking the time, by the way, to be with us today. It's such a pleasure.
It's absolutely our pleasure too.
And as you can see, what we're showing here at IBC is our full broadcast ecosystem. We like to say that great broadcast starts with Haivision. So starting from our mobile transmitters, mobile 5G bonded transmitters, our Makito on the transmit side, and then on the other side of the booth, we go on the receiving side with our Haivision Stream Hub, our SRT gateway, and of course our range of Makito decoder. So we can acquire the signal, we can distribute the signal for remote production and contribution, and that represents the full ecosystem of Haivision. And at the core of this ecosystem is our cloud solution, Up 360, which we're showing the latest version of. And Cloud 360 is allowing for the configuration and control of all of our appliances, as well as defining workflow. And it's got this master control to allow you to do monitoring of your live workflows. So if we come a little bit closer to the different demonstrations, on the transmitter side, the big news of the show is our Falcon X2 transmitter. It's the next generation bonded cellular transmitter. It's got 2 modem, 4 antennas. It's using the MIMO technology, which allows to use 2 antennas simultaneously on the single modem and gives us an amazing throughput. And of course, it has all the feature sets of our ecosystem, supports UHD, 422 10-bit encoding, has some interesting functionalities that we've added to it, an internal battery so that you can do your live without an external battery. We've got about 2 hours of live, new power supply, USB-based power supply. So the Falcon X2 is really our flagship product on the transmitter range, and a lot of innovation. It's going to come in 2 versions. The Falcon X2 Go is everything you need for a quick live, press on your own, and the Falcon X2 Ultra is for more full-featured production, supporting 10-bit encoding, and also the advanced features such as our data bridge and other functionalities. So that's the news about the transmitter. On the Makito side, we're showing our popular Makito X4, here in a 2110 version supporting NMOS. So we've got the full ecosystem on the encoder and on the decoder as we are demonstrating here. And we've also integrated a streaming protocol called WIP, which allows for distribution to WebRTC servers at ultra-low latency. So that's a good addition to the capabilities of the Makito encoder. On the receiving side, we're showing here our Stream Hub and our Up 360. And Up 360 actually allows us to manipulate the appliances. So all the configuration of the appliance, as you can see on the left-hand side here, management of appliance, configuration, monitoring, access to the web UX of the appliance when you need to do some specific configuration. Combined with our master control, it gives you power to monitor all your workflows. So it's a tool that brings a lot of efficiency. A single person from a single computer screen can actually monitor multiple workflows. And using the thumbnails, you get a very quick view of the health of your workflow. We've got all the alarms built up in the master control. So it's a fantastic tool to manage your appliance, manage your workflows, and do all your monitoring work, basically. So that's for the product side of things. And in terms of innovation, we've got 2 demonstrations here at IBC. First one is about private 5G. Haivision is a leader in private 5G. We've been innovating since the game in Paris and before, and we've kept innovating on private 5G. We've done 2 things. We did an IBC accelerator program where we put a private 5G network on a plane, and we flew that plane above a cycling race and could get a moving private 5G bubble, which the camera that were on board motorcycles could actually use. So that's a fantastic innovation from Haivision and the companies that contributed to this IBC accelerator program. And another interesting demo of private 5G is this hand-drop demo. So what we've got here is a Canon camera with one of our Pro 4 transmitters going to the Haivision StreamHub Go. This is a new appliance for the Haivision StreamHub, and it's a very small form factor appliance. This can do 4-channel management. So we decode the video on the Haivision Go and we display it here. The Pro 4 runs in ultra low latency. So the end-to-end latency is about 80 milliseconds. And as you can see, when you wave your hand in front of the camera and watch it on the TV, there is literally no visible latency. So that's something which Haivision is leading on, the ultra low latency. And we've kept this here an RCP. So from that RCP, I can control the camera. All the camera shading, the zoom, the focus, the ISO can be controlled from this Cyan View RCP in order to be able to perfectly integrate that camera into the broader broadcast infrastructure. And the last demonstration that we've got on the other side is our highly popular Mojo Pro application. Mojo turns your phone into a professional camera. It's used widely for news customers, and over the last couple of years we've used more and more Mojo also for sports events. Mojo on private 5G network is also an option. It gives you a lot of possibilities to use the phone as a camera. So we're showing the latest version of Mojo over there. And then the most important, right here in the center of the booth, we've got all our products. We've got our small yet powerful Hall of Fame. Haivision's got 4 Emmy Awards. We've got the IBC Innovation Award. The latest one was for our participation for the games in Paris. The year before we got one for private 5G at Kingstown Coronation. And in total we got 3 IBC Innovation Awards. This one is from an IBC accelerator. And of course our Falcon, the little baby, the darling, is displayed on that shelf. So that's all about us. A lot of innovation. And all this product fits very nicely on the Haivision broadcast ecosystem, which we are designing to help our customers be as efficient as possible from an operational standpoint and an economical standpoint. Thank you.
That was just brilliant, Jean-Marc. Excellent. Thank you so much for showing us everything about Haivision at IBC 2025. And from me, Garrick Simeon, I'm signing off. Bye.